So now, we successfully reached the end of this course. We made a hearty and amazing Moroccan soup. Serve your soup while it's hot using a big serving tureen. It will have a soothing effect on the taste buds and body, and you will surely enjoy the meal. You can serve your soup with dates and with this Moroccan cookie called shebekia. This is a Moroccan sesame cookie made by folding dough into a flour shape, frying it, and then dipping it in honey. You can also serve it with lemon wedges on the side. Just squeeze some fresh lemon juice over your soup for a refreshing taste. The savory and sweet mixture is just amazing. I hope you learned a lot with me in this course. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I will be very happy to answer you. And before saying goodbye, you will find in the next lecture the full recipe as a PDF document. You can download it in order to save a text version of the recipe. You can print it to save a paper version also. You will find more tips about cooking and serving your soup. And before finishing, I invite you to consult the bonus bar, where you will find a recipe of how to prepare an essential ingredients that is used in this course. So goodbye, thank you, and see you in the next course.